Hello, welcome to this lesson of Mastering Java. Here we're going to cover the static keyword and try to give you a flavor and a good feeling for what that keyword is. Previous lesson, we talked about public versus private. We made that pretty clear by explaining what it is and doing a couple quick little examples in the code here. Here we're going to do the same thing for the static keyword. So notice we have the same code that we had pretty much in the last section. We have our aircraft class. I went ahead and left in the method to set passengers. And so that set passengers variable is now private. We talked about that before. We're creating two objects here with a constructor to populate everything there. And then we just call some methods, print some things out. And then we have this left over from the last section where we set that private variable. All right, the bottom line is, let's talk about variables first. When a variable is set to static in Java, it means a couple of things. I'll tell you what they are. You'll probably scratch your head. And then whenever I show you, then you'll understand a little more. When it's set to static, two things pretty much happen. The first thing is that variable, let's say I do static integer cruise speed. Notice how it highlighted, it goes to italics there. That means that this variable cruise speed can be interfaced with without even declaring an object. I'll say that again, it's weird. You can put things into the cruise speed variable now once it's listed as static, even before I create an object. So that's really, really weird when you think about it for a second, because we kept saying that, hey, all these member variables, they're part of the class, and when we create a new aircraft object, then the Cessna 172 then has a passengers variable, cruise speed variable, fuel capacity variable, and a burn rate variable. So now I'm telling you, if you tag it as static, then this variable is something that can be interfaced with and used even before you create